Hello friends, hope you're doing well. Hope you have recovered from our In Re Delhi Laws Act marathon. I'm not sure I have, hence my concern for you as well. It has been quite a week and a half or so, or quite a fortnight, let's call it. It's been tough going because of all the complications of that particular judgment. So we definitely need a palate cleanser, and I apologize upfront for referring to a judgment arising out of a double murder to be a palate cleanser, but that is basically what we have lined up next. This criminal law case talking about intricacies of the Evidence Act and testimony and so on, Tara Singh versus the state, which we will take up next, decided by the Supreme Court on the 1st of June 1951. That will be followed by our very first tax law case. So the very first criminal law case followed by the very first tax law case. That is sufficient of a palate cleanser. That will be the Commissioner of Income Tax versus the Finlay Mills, a landmark judgment which has been referred countless times, well about 2 or 3 dozen times, by various tribunals, high courts, income tax tribunals, and the Supreme Court as well later on, and hence it also comes in our collection of landmark, milestone, historical Supreme Court of India cases. And that is the palate cleanser that we require before moving on to the most historical Supreme Court judgment till that date, that is Shankari Prasad versus the Union of India, where the first amendment to the constitution was challenged, and of course a very crucial, very important, very controversial case where we expect to spend as much time as we did on In Re Delhi Laws Act, I should warn you. So that is the agenda for the next few weeks, the month or so that lies before us, the month that we also celebrate 75 years of independence. So congratulations to all of us for reaching this milestone, while we make our way to the next milestone, that is the 75 years of our republic, by which time the channel hopes, expects and targets to complete the journey through the history of the Supreme Court of India, through the judicial history, through the adjudicatory history of the Supreme Court of India. That is what this channel is about. So Tara Singh versus the state, followed by CIT versus Finlay Mills, followed by finally the Shankari Prasad case. Hope you will join me for all of that. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.